Hello everyone, I am Pavitra Devi working as Assistant Professor in Department of Computer Science, Artificial Intelligence and Data Science in Dr. SNS Rajeshwari College of Arts and Science. Now I am going to take the class about a need for the protocol architecture. A protocol architecture is the structure, set of rules and convention to govern the communication between different devices in a network. It provides a system way to design and implement the network communication system. In modern digital world where the billions of devices communicate over the network, the structure of process is necessary to manage and streamline this communication. This is where protocol architecture comes in the play. A protocol architecture defines the set of rules, formats and procedures the device must follow to exchange the data efficiently and reliably. It acts as like a human language between the computer, ensuring the smooth communication regardless their manufacturer and operating system or hardware. Without a defined architecture, a network communication would be chaotic and error prone. The protocol architecture like the OSI model and TCP/IP, the transmission control protocol and internet protocol stack divide the communication process into layers, each responsible for the specific task. This layer design makes to complex communication easy to understand and develop and manage. Thus, the protocol architecture, the foundation of the efficient and standardized and scalable computer networking. It organizes the communication function into layers, which each layer is performing the specific role and interacting with the specific layer directly above and below it. For example, OSI model, TCP/IP model are common protocol architecture that devise common communication into the layers such as physical layer, data link layer, network layer, transport layer, and then application layer. Each layer has the specific task like routing, addressing and error checking or data formatting, making the error communication reliable and organized. Next one, why protocols are necessary? Protocols are in a computer network because they are defined the rule procedure for communication between devices. Without protocol, devices would not be understand each other. Data communication would be chaotic and unreliable. Enable the communication between different devices from different manufacturer can communicate efficiently. Example, a Windows PC can communicate with the MacBook using the internet protocol like transmission control protocol and internet protocol. Second one, standardization. Protocol provide the common set of rules ensuring the consistency and compatibility. Example, hypertext transfer protocol is the standard protocol used by the all the web browser and the servers. Error detection and correction. Protocols like TCP detect the data errors and ensure the correct delivery by transmitting the lost of packets. Data formatting and synchronization. Protocol define how the data is formatted, transmitted and the interpreted. For example, simple mail transfer protocol for sending the emails ensure the format is understood by all the email system. Next one, flow and congestion control. Prevent the overwhelming the receiver or the network. Example, transmission control protocol manage the data flow. So both data sender and receiver by synchronized. Security and authentication protocols like HTTP secure socket layers ensure the secure data transmission over the internet. Efficient routing and addressing protocols such as help to route data packet and correct the protocols. And then support for the error handling and security and data delivery. Manage the errors and flow the data flow corrections. Play the vital role. Next one, layered approaches. A layered approaches in a protocol architecture like OSI model, open system interconnected model, transmission control protocol, and then IP model divides the complex process network communication into the manageable, logicable layer. Each layer has a specific function and interact only with the layers directly above the process. Next one, simplifies and the network design. Breaking communication into layers make easier to understand, design and implement. Each layer focus on the specific task like addressing, routing and encryption. Next one, modularity and independence. Chances the each layer do not affect other layers. For example, you can update the physical network hardware layer 1 without changing the email protocol application layer. Easy to troubleshooting and maintenance the problem can be isolated to a specific layer, making debugging faster and more efficient. Standardization. Each layer handles the standardization protocol, ensuring the compatibility and interoperability between the different system and vendors. Next one, interoperability and standardization. In computer network, interoperability and standardization, two key system devices can communicate efficiently regardless their different software and hardware manufacturers. The open standard provide the vendor neutrally seamless communication over the internet. The standard bodies like IEEE Format Institute and Electrical and Electronical Engineering and IETF Internet Engineering Task Force is the one of the standardization and interoperability process. Next one, abstraction and simplification. Abstraction is nothing but each layer focus on some specific task. Simplify the software and hardware design. Change in one layer does not affect another layer. This is the abstraction and simplification of this process. Real world example, web browsing like hypertext transfer protocol over the transmission control protocol or internet protocol. Video streaming, email, online gaming is the real-time examples of the protocol architecture, protocol stack in the mobile communications. Thank you.